Hello guys, this is what we call tilapia. This is kal-ala lang, and as you can see, the tilapia is moving, and of course, this is the gurami, and Adam is linagyan ng tubig yan guys. Nagsitalon-talon na sila guys yan. Dapat sana dito, hindi muna niya nilagyan ng tubig para hindi sila magkusak-kusak. Ngayon, ang ginawa, pinakialaman na naman ng ating kaibigan. Yan guys. Masyadong kulit kasi. Ayan kasi, bagong huli lang ito guys. Kita nyo naman. Very, very sariwa. And of course, we're going to cook it later. After we dalos-dalos this. Dalusan mo pa lang guys. Ikatin